equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Start by powering off your MSI MS14B2 and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 6 Phillips screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, placing them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips while doing this. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the charging port, which is usually situated near the battery. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the charging port using a soft brush or compressed air. This helps remove any dust or debris that may interfere with the connection. Now, examine the charging port for any visible damage. If it appears loose or broken, you will need to replace it. To do this, carefully disconnect the port from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the old charging port is removed, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Gently press it into place until it clicks securely. Ensure that it is firmly attached, as a loose connection can lead to further issues. After replacing the charging port, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Start by placing the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Before you power on your laptop, it's wise to double-check that everything is in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Now, power on your MSI MS14B2 and connect your charger. Check if the charging indicator lights up, confirming that the repair was successful. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any surprises. In summary, repairing the charging port on your MSI MS14B2 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can restore your laptop's functionality. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.